Are you struggling to get your 1,000 subscribers, struggling to get your 4,000 watch hours? You have tried different methods. People are saying use Restream, use this. You have listened to so many creators. You have tried everything possible, but it seems like nothing is working for you. It seems like even though people are saying this is working for them, but whenever you try it on your channel, it is not working for you. Then this particular video is for you, because in this video I'm going to be showing you a new method, a different method. I've never spoken about it before on my channel, but this particular method, I've been seeing the trend online. People have been saying it. Okay, it's worked for me. I was able to get my channel monetized. I was able to get my 4,000 watch hour. But I said, okay, before I bring it to you guys, let me take my time to actually use it for one of my channels. I'm going to be showing you proofs of what I actually got, the watch hour I got. I'm going to be putting it here and here. After trying this particular method, that it worked for me. So after seeing that it worked for me, I decided to say about the background. So people actually did parties, so the noise, I'm so sorry. Yeah, so I decided to bring it to you guys and say, okay, you guys can also try this method, because I just want your growth. In fact, I think I'm talking too much. Let's just go right in. Let me start the screen record and show you guys the process. So first of all, you need your ChatGPT app. Yes, ChatGPT. You guys should calm down. You guys know where I'm going to. Try and watch this video to the end to understand the whole process. And once you open ChatGPT, let me open. Then the next thing, your niche. Yeah, I don't know which niche to use. You know, we have several niche: cooking niche, education, tutorial, you understand? So what niche should I use? Okay, let me use this my niche, YouTube growth. Yeah, I think I just like okay, so let me just say I am you guys will actually type it though. I am in the YouTube growth. Oh, don't let me use YouTube growth. It's not like every time I'm always using my niche. Let me use African folktales. I am in the African folktales niche. You guys will actually impute your own niche, not this one I'm typing, on YouTube. But I'm not getting views, subscribers, and sorry, I'm not a very fast typer, and watch hours. Okay, kindly help with SEO. Okay, before we get to SEO, kindly help with video ideas that can make me go viral. Look at the way I'm typing. Oh my god, I'm so sorry guys. That can kindly help with video ideas that can make me go viral. Yeah, so let's just click on it and see. As you can see, ChatGPT says you're in a very powerful niche. We don't need all of that. You guys can actually go ahead to read all of that, but I don't want to read all of that to save time. So ChatGPT actually gave us 10 viral video ideas for African folktale niche. You can see long form videos that will actually give you a watch. You can see the first one, everyone feared their beauty until a shadow told the truth. Yeah, you can see the woman who was pregnant for 7 years. You can see. So if you are confused after seeing all of those titles, you don't even know which one, you are still confused, just scroll down and just say, give me the best of them all. The best of them all. Then you just put one. So because it can go and give you like 2 different bests, you only need one first, at least for your video. So you can see best of them all, the woman who was pregnant for 7 years and then gave birth to this. Thinking about it, this particular title is very, very catchy. Whenever somebody even come across it and say a woman who was pregnant for 7 years, you can see ChatGPT is actually your friend. So after you are done doing all of that, you can now say, want me, look at, even ChatGPT have asked you, want me to build this now with full 20 scene stories. Imagine 20 scene stories. Is that not a long form video? Matching image prompts. Look at it, even give you the images. But if you're not doing faceless channel, you don't need the image. You already, maybe if you want to sit down, just use your niche. I'm just using African folktale. SEO title, description, hashtag, voiceover script, whatever you actually, even thumbnail, they can help you with thumbnail. So you just come right here. If you want the full story, okay, let us just say the full 20 stories, the full 20 scene story. So you can just come right here. You can actually think of so many things, but because of time, I'll not really be reading through to see if I like the story or not. But if you read through, if you don't really like it, you can say make it better, make it the best. You understand? Okay, as you can see, scene 8, scene 9, scene 10. If you want to expand the scenes, because you can see each scene is short, you can look at scene 11 now, the chief summons her. You can see it's quite short. If you want to expand it, you just need to give it the prompt that expand each scene. Is going to expand it, but I don't want to do all of that because I know not everybody watching me here is in the African folktale niche. I don't even know if I'm looking at the lens or not. Yeah, okay. So after you're done with generating your script, then you have recorded your videos and do all of that. I don't want to be wasting time on that. So after you have generated your script, then the next thing you need now that is very, very crucial, you now say, give me, this is the important part, not even the script is important because if your video is not good, people will not watch. Give me SEO. Make sure the SEO is in capital letter so ChatGPT really understands that you're emphasizing on SEO. If you don't know what SEO is, search engine optimize, so that you can appear in searches if people are searching for something, so that your videos can pop up. That's what it means. Give me SEO, title, description, and tags. You need tags too. Description, tags. Even though some people say tags is not important, tags is still important because if it's not important, YouTube will not put it there. And hashtag. It's good to make use of everything. Give me SEO title, tags. Give me SEO title, description, tags, and hashtags. So I'm gonna send this right now. As you can see, absolutely here is your full SEO setup for the video title. You can see. So you can see the description. All you just need to do, just click on this part here that says copy code. As you can see, I just copy. Shit, these people are really making noise. I'm so sorry about the noise. So people did party in my area, so they are just like trying to pack up the canopy, and it's really annoying, to be honest. I wish I can go there and tell them. So as you can see, this is the description for the story that they just gave us. They gave us the description. This is SEO. Look at, they actually gave us the hashtag to use to go viral. And here, this is the tag. This tag, you copy it and post it in the tag section. You know that tag section? And this hashtag, you can add it to the description as an additional hashtags. So you can see all of this is actually ready and it is actually optimized. And if you now want, after doing your SEO title, description, like to make you pop out, what you now need to do, your thumbnail. So you should now say generate 16:19 because it might give you the wrong ratio. I said 19, 16:9. That's YouTube long form. Best, make sure you put it in capital letter. Best highly clickable thumbnail to go viral. So look at it, has even started generating it. So once it is done generating, I'm going to show you what it has generated for us and what it looks like. If you don't like it, you can actually still go ahead and give ChatGPT the prompt that I don't like what you have generated for me. Seems the light is a little bit dim, right? Yeah, I'm sorry guys. You can go ahead. Let me face you guys properly now. I think I was just sitting to show you guys all of that on my phone, so you can go ahead to tell ChatGPT that I don't like what you generated for me. I don't think this is actually going to make me go viral. I want something better. So you can keep giving it prompt. ChatGPT is at your service. I know people have been saying this, oh yeah, initially when I saw this, I felt like, oh, this is not going to work, but then I tried it on my channel and you guys can actually see I showed you guys the proof already, and it gave me subscribers. In fact, it gave me visibility on my channel. Yes, I am super excited to have this particular. Okay, before I even continue and show you guys the picture, show you guys the remaining part of the video, in case if I just finding my channel for the first time and you have not subscribed, please do what to hit on the subscribe button. I really appreciate that. And also do what to like this particular video, because please, whenever you like, that's when YouTube push out my video to more audience. Like, it sends a signal that, oh, this particular video is doing well. So please do what to hit on the like button. Do what to comment if you are actually going to try this process, or if you have tried this same process. Let me know what your result is, or yeah, the correct word. Let me know your result. I really can't wait for this to actually just like pop up and come true. It's actually taking a while, but So we'll just wait and come back and see how far it has gone. Voila, and our thumbnail is ready, guys. You guys can actually see 7 years pregnant. What she gave birth to will shock you. You guys can see how shocking, like, this thumbnail is very perfect. As in, you know what, if you're trying this, let me know. Oh love, if you watch me to those points, it means you're actually a fan of my channel. I decided not to mention this particular bonus because I want to be giving out bonus to 2 people. Yeah, if I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I might get some fake fans watching to the end because of the bonus I want to give out. But if you watch me to this point without me mentioning it, sorry about the noise, it's freaking me out, but then there's nothing I can do. Yeah, so if you're among the people that actually watch me to this point, it means you're actually my loyal fan. And then I have something for just 2 people only. 2 people. So the first 2 people to actually comment their niche, and if you actually want me to personally help you grow your channel, I know in the past I've actually, like, I got paid to help people get their channel, like get 4,000 watch hour and get their 1,000 subscribers. Like, I actually got paid for it. Like, so people that don't want, like, put in the work, or maybe they have been trying but they are not getting it, so I can actually do that for you. And guys, within 7 days, that's my ultimatum. 7 days you get that watch hour. In fact, 7 days. So I need just 2 people. 2. If you watch to this point, just comment your niche. All I need is comment your niche that you're currently in, or like what you're doing. If you are in cooking channel, education, tutorial, tech, you understand, AI, whatever niche you are, just let me know your niche. Just 2. I'm not taking more than 2 because I actually have so many things I'm actually doing myself. So this one is just like a bonus for my loyal fans, and just a way to just say thank you, I see you and I appreciate you. Normally, like I said, I do get paid for it, but this point in time I'm not getting paid. I'm doing it for free, and I'm guaranteeing you that in 7 days, so you have to speak to that because of the noise, and I'm guaranteeing you that in 7 days you actually be getting your channel, be getting that 4,000 watch hour and the 1,000 subscribers. Sorry, I just have to end this video very fast because of the noise. All right, thank you so much for watching. It's your baby girl. See you again in our next video. Bye guys.